In this video, I will show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows 11. To begin, click on the Windows icon located at the bottom left corner of your taskbar. This will open up your Start menu. From here, locate and click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, you'll see several options listed on the left side. Look for Apps and give it a little click. Now that you're in the Apps section, find and select Default Apps. In this section, you'll notice a search bar labeled Search Apps. Click inside this bar and type Google Chrome. Select Google Chrome from the search results that pop up. At the top of this page, you'll see an option that says, Make Google Chrome your default browser. Simply click on the Set Default button next to it. But wait, there's more. If you want even more control over what opens with Google Chrome, you can individually set default file types or link types. Here you can choose specific formats such as HTML or PDF files and set them to open automatically with Google Chrome whenever they are accessed. And there you have it, you've successfully made Google Chrome your default web browser in Windows 11. Now all links will open seamlessly in Chrome. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.